Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we are going to see how to prevent Windows lock screen from getting locked. So it's just a 5 line of code which is going to automate this process and it is going to help you to prevent Windows screen from getting locked. Okay. So this script creates an object. This first line of code, it creates an object that interacts with the Windows shell. Second, it enters an infinite loop where it waits for 1 minute, and after interval of 1 minute, it presses the numlock from your computer's keypad. Okay, a numlock input is provided through this script, and this cycle repeats indefinitely until the script is manually stopped. So what the script does, instead of you pressing the numlock manually, the script press and provides the numlock input to the computer, which creates a scenario as you are currently working on the computer. So your Windows will not get locked. Okay. So let's create the script and see how it works. I've already tried and tested this. It works. You just need to copy this code, open a notepad, press Windows key, type a notepad over here. Once the notepad is open, you can paste that code and click on File, Save As. I'll select Desktop. Over here, give a file name, Prevent Screen Lock. You can provide any name for your script, then enter .vbs as an extension. Don't forget to change this to all files. Okay, then click on save and I'll close this notepad. Now let's go to the desktop. Okay, if you see on the desktop, a file has got created, prevent screen lock, and the type of this file is VBScript. So we have created a VBScript which is going to work. Okay, so double click on the script. You can just do right click and click on open. So now this script is getting executed at the backend. Okay, after interval of 1 minute, it is automatically going to press the numlock at the backend. Okay, so it is going to toggle numlock at the backend. So this is going to prevent your Windows screen from getting locked as computer is going to get some or the other input. Okay, now how to stop this script? There are two ways. One, if you restart your computer, it is going to automatically stop this script from execution. Second way, to manually stop this script, you need to open Task Manager first, then go to the Details tab and look for the process wscript.exe or csscript.exe. Okay, then click on End Task to stop that script. So let's see. So now we are going to stop this script which we have already executed. We'll do a right click on the taskbar and Task Manager option is there. Other way, you can press Ctrl Shift and Escape to open this window, the Task Manager. On the Task Manager, you need to go to the Details tab. In this Details tab, you need to look for WScript. As we have executed this script 3 times, so that's why there are 3 entries, 3 process IDs are there. Okay, so you need to do right click and End Task. Click on End Process. Okay, again I'll do End Task, End Process. Okay, now you'll see the script is not getting executed at the backend. Suppose if I want to execute it again, I'll select this file, do a right click, click on open. Okay, see immediately a entry has got created, one process ID has got generated which is executing this WS script. So your script is getting executed at the backend. Now again, if you want to stop, just do right click, click on End Task. So it's simple 5 line of code which will help you to automate your task and prevent your Windows screen from getting locked. So that's all for today, guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.